Day in the life of an electrician, a Tuesday. So let's go. So the first job of today was to connect and test heating, a new boiler that a plumber had put in, and obviously that took all of 5 minutes. So whilst I was there, I know the couple and they said, "Are you any good at flat pack furniture?" Obviously I said yes, I'm not too bad. So I put a TV stand up as well. It's not always electrics that you have to do every day. It's quite fun, to be honest. So that's the job, done and dusted, on to the next. So this one was a lady who was moving house and wanted to take her light fittings with her. So just changing 3 lights for ceiling roses. Done and dusted. And now on to the next, and it's getting a bit warm, so I might have to take this hat off. And now off to the next. A hot water problem. So let's see what happens there.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I moved to the side, when I moved
on Christmas a little while ago. Now that one was a bit of a nightmare. I had to find that immersion heater element. It was a special sort of one. I had to go to our arch enemies, the plumb centre. I didn't really want to, but I had to do it. Now all there is to do is to reward the security guard for looking after the van. Go on then, boy. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Where you going?